Hi there, y'all. This is one of those chairs that these guys come, they park cars and whatnot, or whoever they use to sit on, a temporary sit. Mostly the valet parker guys use it. I'm going to show you a real simple project you can make for your dad on Dad's Day. Take the seat, unscrew it, keep it, you know, if you want to keep it for later. All it is 4 screws. The 16 by 16, you can make it any size you want, doesn't have to be. That's what I made mine, 16 inches, and I'll show you why. The reason I do 16 by 16, big enough for my drill bit, screws, and the nice thing about it, nothing rolls over to on the floor. Anyway, but for the most part, just working around the house, working on doorknobs, locks, whatever, where he doesn't have to get down very far, well then this is the ideal situation. And also, Mom can use it in the kitchen. You might call it the extra hand that she doesn't have when Dad's out working on something. She can borrow this without him knowing it. Kind of help her with whatever. I'm not sure where I can go with that, but anyway, it's there for her. Alrighty, well, I wish you all a happy Father's Day and good luck